All right, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today is a really special day because we just hit 20 subscribers. But that's not the only reason it's special. This right here is also my very first full video on YouTube. Until now, I've only uploaded shorts, but this is my first time doing a full-length video, and I wanted to make it count. Thank you so much to all of you for the support. It might seem like a small number, but for me, it's huge. And as you can see on the screen, here's my current subscriber count. To celebrate this milestone, I want to give you something special. Most content creators struggle to find a 100% free and unlimited text-to-speech solution, and I'm about to show you the exact trick I use to get high-quality human-like voiceovers completely free. Now, yes, there are some incredible platforms out there like 11 Labs, PlayHT, and others that offer amazing AI voices, but they usually give you limited credits unless you're on a paid plan. What I'm showing you today is completely unlimited and won't cost you a single rupee. All right, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. First, download any screen recorder on your phone. I personally recommend ADV Screen Recorder because it's free and simple. Next, make sure you have ChatGPT installed on your phone. It's free and almost everyone has it by now. Now here's the key part. Once you've written your script, open ChatGPT and tell it to read your paragraph exactly as it is. Don't change a single word. Once ChatGPT gives you the response, simply press and hold on the text and select the Read Aloud option. And now, while it's reading the message aloud in that smooth and natural voice, just turn on your screen recorder and capture the audio in real time. This way, you'll have a clean, professional voiceover straight from your device without spending a penny. After that, you now have a perfect voice recording. But here's something even cooler. ChatGPT gives you access to multiple voice styles and characters, not just a single voice. To explore them, just tap on the white circular button at the bottom, the one used to talk to ChatGPT in voice mode. Once you're in, tap the gear icon settings in the top right corner. And there you go. You'll see a list of voices available. Let's try one out. I'm going to tap on this voice. And just like that, the character changes. Now I'll open that menu again and look at all these options. There are tons of voices you can choose from, so pick the one that fits your vibe. Personally, I prefer this one because it sounds confident, clear, and face forward. You can extract the voice from that screen recording using any video editing app. Right now, I'm using A-Light Motion, and since it doesn't have a direct extract audio option, it have, but let's assume it doesn't. I simply add the video to the timeline and reduce the opacity to 0. That way, the video becomes invisible, but the audio stays clean and perfect. And that's it. You now have an unlimited, 100% free text-to-speech method with a natural-sounding voice, perfect for YouTube videos, Reels, or any kind of content you're creating. This is my small gift to you for supporting me this early in my journey. And trust me, more tips, tricks, and tutorials like this are coming real soon. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. From 20 to 100. That's it for today. Take care. Bye.